welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class, one of the chapter, exponents and powers, had been finished. Today, I am going to start new chapter, percentage, application on percentage. Dear students, let's quickly review what can you have done in previous class about percentage. We know that a fraction with denominator is called 100, is called percentage. A fraction with denominator 100 is called percentage, such as 90 by 100. 90 by 100, 90%. 7 by 100, 7%, 10 by 100, 10%, and so on. Percentage can be converted into a fraction. Percentage converted into fraction. This 90% converted into the fraction form, 90 by 100. Expressed as ratio 90% equal to 90 by 100, such that 90 is to 100. 90 is to 100. So percentage can be converted into a fraction, expressed as ratio, and also converted into decimal. Suppose 90 by 100. 90 by 100 equal to 0.19. This 90 by 100 equal to 0.19 in decimal form, in this ratio form, and a fraction form. So you can say percentage can be converted into a fraction, expressed as ratio, and converted into decimal. One of the important point, the word percent is an abbreviation of the Latin word. The word percent is an abbreviation of the Latin word percentum. The word percent is an abbreviation of the Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. Percentum means per hundred or hundredth. You already learned in previous class. Now let us move some points related to percentage. Dear students, let us do some problems to revive our memory. In previous class, you have learned about your page number 91, first question. Express the following percent in lowest term. Suppose 4%. First you convert into lowest term. So 4%, that means 4 by 100. It is not in a standard form. So you simplify. So you get 2 by 50. So first revive our memory of 4% in convert into lowest term. Second, express the following percent as decimal. Suppose 33%. That means 33 by 100. That means 0.33. Next, write the following fraction as percentage. Suppose given 2 and 1 by 3 convert into percentage. So first you change in fractional form. 2 3 are 6, 1 7 by 3. We know that a fraction with denominator 100 is called percentage. So you multiply 100 by 100. That means 7 by 3 into 100 and into 1 by 100. It is clear? 7 by 3 you multiply 100 by 100. That means 7 by 3 into 100 into 1 by 100 is equal to 7 by 3 into 100 and 1 by 100 means sign percentage. Dear student, symbol of percentage is this. So that is 7 into 100, 700 by 3 percentage. And another, convert the given ratio into percentage. 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. They said 2 by 5 into, convert into ratio into percentage into 100. That percent equal to 5, 20, 100 or 22 ja 40%. And fifth, write the following decimal as percentage. 0.34. 0.34. 0.34 convert into percentage. They said 0.34, that means 0.34 into 100% is equal to 34%. And next, find the value of 20% of 1 rupee. 20% of 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Dear students, 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 20% of 100 paise. That means 20 by 100 into 100. That means 100 cancel. So 20 paise. So some problems to revive our memory, such as convert fraction into decimal, the percentage into decimal form, fraction into decimal form, ratio into decimal form. And next topic, simple application of percentage. So let us move. Next topic. Yes, you're given some more examples related to percentage. Suppose example 1, Radhika spends rupees 350 every month. If this is 70% of her pocket money, find the pocket money. Dear student, here given Radhika spends 350 every month, and how you find total money. Suppose let Radhika's pocket money be X and money spent 350. Also money spent is 70% of X. That means 70% of X, and then 70% of X means 70% of X equal to 350. First you change 70 percentage, that means 100 into x equal to 350. So x equal to 350 into 100 by 7. That means 7 1 0 1 0 7 5 ja 35. That means 500. So pocket money, Radhika's pocket money is rupees 500. So another example, in a family of 25 persons, 72% read English newspaper, 16% read Hindi newspaper, and the rest do not read the newspaper. Find the number of persons. Here, number of person 25. So number of person who read English newspaper 72% of 25. 72% of 25. And 16% read Hindi newspaper. So number of person who read Hindi newspaper 16% of 25. Find the number of person who read none of the newspaper. So first you find 70% of 25. That means 75 by 100 into 25. Sorry, 72% of 72%. That means 25 for the and 4 18, and that means 18% who read English newspaper, and Hindi newspaper 16 by 100 into 25 4, that means 4. 18% read English newspaper and 4% Hindi newspaper. Total number of person 25. So number of person who did not read newspaper 25 minus 18 plus 4. That means 25 minus 22. That is 3. That means number of person who do not read any newspaper is 3. And third example, during blood donation camp in a school, 60% of the total students donated blood. If the number of students who did not donate blood was 480, find the total number of students in the school. So same process, example 2. So dear students, you solve example 3 itself, and your today's class is over, and your homework is do page number 92 and 93. Do page number 91 to 93. Thanks, have a nice day.